Okay, we're going to divide these two rational expressions. And to divide a fraction, remember, we'll keep the first fraction, and then we change the division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction, right? Therefore, let's do that first. So this is going to be 4m squared plus 8m over m squared minus 4m minus 21. This right here stays the same. And I will have to change this to multiplying. And then I will flip this. Therefore, we will have the 2m minus 14 on the top. And we will have the 3m squared minus 12 on the bottom like this. And now we can focus on the factorings and then cancel things out after that. Okay, so for the first one here, we have 4m squared plus 8m. Notice that we only have two terms. But this is m squared, and this right here also has an m. Therefore, we can factor out a common factor. So we can factor out the m, and also we have the 4 and also the 8. We can factor out 4m altogether. So for the top, we will have 4m all the way in the front first. And then I'll open the parentheses. For the first term, originally we had 4m squared, but the 4 is out already. And originally this was a m squared, but we took one out already. Therefore, we only have m to the first power left. And then for the second term, let me bring down the plus. Originally, this was an 8, but we factor out a 4. You can just think about 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we have a 2 left right here. And this m was out already, so we can close that. This is the factoring for that, okay? And for this, m squared minus 4m minus 21. We know this is just a trinomial. We must have m and m like this, not a chocolate, but m and m to get the m squared. And we have to ask ourselves, what times what will give us negative 21? Together, they will add up to be negative 4. And the answer to that is, we can use negative 7 and plus 3. Because negative 7 times positive 3 is negative 21. Also, negative 7 plus 3, that will give us negative 4, okay? Next, we'll factor this. And let's put on the multiplication symbol first. We have 2m minus 14. Notice that we can just factor out the 2, so we'll do that. So factor out 2. And we will have m right here because the 2 was out already. And bring down the minus. And this was originally 14. Divided by 2, we have the 7 here, okay? And now, this right here is 3m squared minus 12. We have to take 2 steps to factor this out. Because first of all, we can factor out a common factor. This is the same as saying, factor out the 3, and then the m squared, the 3 is in the front already. Minus 12, we factor out the 3, so we have minus 4, like this, okay? And now looking at this, let me bring down the 3 first. And to factor out m squared minus 4, it's the same as saying m squared minus 2 squared, and we'll end up m minus 2 times m plus 2, like this. So it will take us 2 steps to factor, so just like this, right? And now, here comes to the best part. We'll cancel things out and then put down all the factors at the end together. Starting with a 4 right here, this is 4 times whatever. This is a factor, but we don't have any factor of like 2 or 4 whatsoever to cancel things out. This 4 stays. This m, we don't have any other m's on the bottom, so this m stays as well. But then for the m plus 2, we have this m plus 2. They can cancel out, right? So let me cancel this one out with this one. And next we have the 2, but there's no number that can be cancelled out with the 2. So this 2 stays. Lastly, we have the m minus 7, but we also have this m minus 7. So we can cancel this and cancel that out together. At the end, here's the answer. We multiply the top together and then multiply the bottoms together. 4m times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then we keep the m like this. And this is what we have on the top. And on the bottom, you see we have this times that. You don't have to multiply it out. You can just keep it in the factorative form. We will write down the 3 first though. So 3 goes here. Next, we have the m plus 3 like this. And lastly, we have the m minus 2. And we are done like that. That's it.